In this video I will show you 6 different ways to make money from Instagram, and in contrary to what's thought, you do not need millions of followers to make money from Instagram. You can also earn money from accounts with 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 or 10,000 followers. For example, you make a video on YouTube and when people watch your videos they see ads and you make money, but you can't do that on Instagram. I mean, you share reels on Instagram, it gets millions of views, but you don't even earn a penny because Instagram doesn't pay for views. That's why you need different methods on Instagram to make money. The first method is selling products. Now, I don't know what the category of your page is, but whether it's a fan page or a meme page, you can make and sell products in that category. In fact, if you use print on demand, you can earn money by doing the least amount of work. The logic is simple. Since you are the owner of the page, you mostly know what your audience like. For example, if you're a fan page of a TV series, you know that your audience love that show. So you make a design related to that show, you put that design on t-shirts, on hoodies, on mugs, on pillows, and create a store. After that, you put that link to your Instagram profile and you promote it on your stories or on your posts. The reason why I say you can make money by doing the least amount of work is because in print on demand, when the customer buys your product, you do absolutely nothing. That print on demand company takes care of everything, like it prints the product and ships it to the customer, and they give you your share. The second method is advertisements. This is actually a very well-known method. As the number of your followers on Instagram increase, the numbers of the offers you get increase as well. Different brands reach out to you because they want you to advertise them, and of course you charge them for that. It's like you say to them, this much for a 24-hour post and this much for a 24-hour story. If you want them both, we can do that. You can offer a lower price for both of them. I mean, how you're gonna sell that is up to you. And also the prices that you're gonna charge is also up to you and your Instagram page. Like, you can determine it by your follower count and your engagement rate. Which your native language might not be English and you might wanna create an account on your native language, but I wouldn't suggest that. I mean, if you want to make money, I wouldn't suggest that. I mean, if you make your page in English, that means your page is global and you can get more offers. And if you ask me how we are gonna find brands to, get ads, they usually find you. The third method is affiliate marketing. This method is similar to selling products, but not exactly the same. Because this time you don't have to deal with the product production at all. You just advertise and sell the product. So, we do advertisements. Well, not exactly. Brands don't need to reach to you and they don't need to pay you to do affiliate marketing. For example, there is a very nice product that you like and you use and you know that your audience will like it as well. You can go to Amazon Associates and sign up immediately and get an affiliate link for every product on Amazon. Then you take the affiliate link of that product and put it on your Instagram page. And when your followers click that link and buy that product, you make money. Amazon pays you a commission. It's actually a very easy way to make money if you have an audience. Like, literally all you do is just share the product. Now, how much money you're gonna make now depends on the price of the product, the commission that the Amazon pays, and how many people clicked your link and bought the product. I will leave a link in the description, and if you click that link you will see this page, and here you can see the commission rates that Amazon pays you for every category. Amazon is not the only site where you can do affiliate marketing, by the way. Most of the sites have that option because it's a win-win situation, like you promote their product so they get a sale and you earn money. So most of the sites do that. The fourth method is selling courses and services. Let's say that the category of your Instagram page is self-development and sports. For example, you can sell a course in these categories. And it doesn't have to be only in these categories, like you can pretty much do in every category. So you go to Udemy or Skillshare, create a course on a topic you know about, and sell it to your followers. Of course, the online course in your Instagram page's category must be relevant because, if they're not related, your followers won't be interested in your course and they won't buy it. Or let me give you an example from sports. You can coach, like if you're knowledgeable about sports, about gym, about lifting, if you know about diets and stuff like that, you can do coaching. Coaching is something that can be done virtually from far away, like you don't have to meet face to face. People do that. Coaching, mentoring, consulting, whatever you want to name it. For example, I receive a lot of YouTube consultancy requests from email, from Instagram, but unfortunately I don't do consulting. Not on this channel, obviously. This one is still just 1,000 followers. On my other YouTube channel, actually, maybe I should. Fifth method is selling accounts. This is like your exit card. If you say like you don't want to continue with that page anymore, or if you need cash quickly, you can sell your account and get some quick cash. But if I had to give you friendly advice, that should be your last thing to consider. In the long run, you can earn much more money with the other methods. You get some money when you sell your account, yes, but that's it. You don't earn anything else after that. But if your goal is to make that a business, of course you can do that. Like you can create Instagram pages, grow them till a point, and then sell them. But still, I think it's better to focus on a single Instagram page and grow that first. Because if you do that, then you can do all the methods that I have mentioned in this video. Like you can get ads, you can sell products, you can do affiliate marketing, you can create online courses, and you can earn way more money with those methods. Like, you can do all the methods at the same time. Now, if you're wondering how you're gonna sell your Instagram account, well, that's the tricky part actually. There are some sites that you can go and sell your Instagram pages there, but you know, if you do that, they will get a cut as well, so keep that in mind. And if you don't want that, if you don't want them to get a cut, a fee, you know, you can sell the page yourself, but this is a bit riskier because like you have to trust the other person. If you don't trust them, like what's gonna happen? Is he gonna give the money first, or are you gonna give the account information first? I mean, if you're gonna sell the account to a person that you trust, then it's okay. Or if there's gonna be a middleman, that's nice too. Sixth method is to advertise your website or YouTube channel. You can create a website or a YouTube channel on the same category as your Instagram page, you can promote them. And just like that, you can earn money per impression, like the money that you couldn't earn on Instagram per views, you can earn that money on YouTube or a website. Of course, it's important that the categories match, because otherwise your followers won't be interested in that. Like, they won't go to your website and read the stuff that you write there, or they won't go to your YouTube page to watch your videos. I know this method gets kinda outside of Instagram, and it's basically like building a whole other business, like a YouTube channel or a website, but still I wanted to add it as a method because who knows, maybe some of you want to make that as well. So if you want to earn money by sharing videos on YouTube, I suggest to watch this video here. In that video, I show you how you can earn more money on YouTube without needing to get more views. So, see you again in that video. Bye bye.